Your screen goes black, then blue. The error says nvlddmkm.sys. Don't panic. I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Right now.
nvlddmkm.sys is the NVIDIA display driver kernel mode file. It's the bridge between your graphics card and Windows. When it crashes, your entire system crashes. That's the blue screen of death.
You'll see stop codes like video TDR failure, code 0x116, or system thread or exception not handled, or driver REQUEL not less or equal. All of them point to the same thing. Your NVIDIA driver failed.
Here's the fix that works 80% of the time. Download Display Driver Uninstaller from guru3.com. Download the latest NVIDIA driver. Disconnect your internet. Boot into safe mode. Run DDU. Click Clean and Restart. Then install the fresh driver. This removes every trace of the old corrupted driver.
If DDU doesn't work, try updating your driver. Go to nvidia.com and download the latest game-ready driver. Or, if the error started after an update, Rollback. Open Device Manager. Right-click your GPU. Properties. Driver tab. Rollback driver.
This one fixes gaming crashes. Windows gives your GPU 2 seconds to respond. That's not enough. Open Registry Editor. Navigate to HKey Local Map Init, System, Current Control Set, Control Graphics Drivers. Create a new DWOL called TDR Delay. Set it to 10. Restart. Now your GPU has 10 seconds instead of 2.
Hardware. Accelerated GPU scheduling can conflict with NVIDIA drivers. Go to Settings, System, Display, Graphics. Change default graphics settings. Turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Restart your computer.
Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Manage 3D settings. Find Power Management Mode. Set it to prefer maximum performance. This stops your GPU from downclocking aggressively and causing instability.
Corrupted Windows files can cause this error. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait for it to finish, then run sfc/scanow. This repairs corrupted system files.
Overheating causes driver crashes. Download GPU ZID or HW monitor. Check your GPU temperature under load. If it's above 85 degrees Celsius, clean your GPU fans. Reapply thermal paste. Improve your case airflow.
Factory overclocks can cause instability. Open MSI Afterburner. Reset everything to default. If crashes stop, your GPU was unstable. You can try reducing the power limit to 80% for stability.
If the error started after a Windows update, uninstall it. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Update History, Uninstall Updates. Remove the most recent one. You can also pause updates temporarily.
This is the last resort. Boot into safe mode. Go to C Drive Windows, System 32, Drivers. Rename nvlddmkm.sys to nvlddmkm.sys.bake. Extract a fresh copy from the NVIDIA driver package. Copy it there. Restart. Experts don't recommend this, but it works in desperate cases.
Here's what nobody tells you. If you have an Intel 13th or 14th gen unlocked processor, the CPU itself causes GPU driver crashes. Update your motherboard BIOS immediately. Intel released microcode fixes for this. The BSOD blames your GPU driver, but the real problem is your CPU.
Let's summarize why this happens. Corrupted driver files, TDR timeout too short, GPU overclocking, overheating, insufficient power supply, Windows update conflicts, and Intel CPU instability. Any of these can crash nvlddmkm.sys.
How do you prevent this? Always use DDU when changing drivers. Use WHQL-certified drivers only. Keep your BIOS updated. Monitor GPU temperatures. Don't overclock beyond stability. Use an adequate power supply. And create system restore points before driver updates.
If BSODs keep happening after trying all fixes, your GPU might be dying. Watch for visual artifacts before crashes. Increasing frequency over time. Crashes even with clean driver installs. Test your GPU in another system to confirm.
This video is for educational purposes only. Always back up your data before making system changes. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you're still stuck. I'll try to help.